So this tutorial is for teachers or admins that want to create a module and then create a session. So the first thing we're going to do is open up our browser. We'll log in as an admin, but if you log in as a teacher, you should see the same options and the process should be the same. So once we log in, we want to go to My Clubs on the left-hand side here. Click the drop-down, and then YTC Test Club 2016 is the example we're going to be using. And we want to go down to where it says Administration right here, and we want to click on Turn Editing On. So once we get this portion in the middle of our page, we see something that says Add an activity or resource. So we want to click on that. And then for activities, we want to do an attendance, and then just click Add. So let's just come up with a name, nothing fancy, club attendance. We can do a point system. So what a point system is if you're present, you get 2 points. If you have an excused absence, you get 1 point. And if you have an unexcused absence, you get 0 points. So we'll do a point system. The maximum points you can get is 100. It defaults to that. So we'll just leave it at 100. And then if you want to know more about this other stuff, we'll just leave it blank for now, but you can click on the question mark and it'll give you a little caption of what each thing is. But they're not important for our purposes right now. So let's click Save and Return to Club. So here's our club attendance. I can see that we already had one called club attendance, so we just named another one club attendance. So let's go and edit that. Let's say club attendance 2. Okay, so let's save and return to club. There we go. So club attendance 2. Now let's click on that. That's called a module. Now within a module we have sessions. Now let's say we want to create a new session. This will be our first session. And this session of this module will meet on March 23rd at 7:40, and let's say the duration will be an hour long. This is the minutes drop down, but let's just say it's an hour. And then it's going to meet once a week. And then let's click on also allow students to record their own attendance. So we'll just assume that all our students are honest, which I'm sure they are. Let's click on Add Session now. And click Continue. And then if we go back to the Sessions tab, we can see our session right here. And if the student wants to go in and record their attendance, they click on the little green button there, and then you can click present, excused, absent, and then save the attendance, but we won't do anything right now with that. And that's all, pretty simple.